Restoring sending privileges on Kraken involves a few straightforward steps. Follow this guide to ensure you can send your assets without any issues. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Access your Kraken account by entering your credentials on the Kraken website. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, go to the Security section in your account settings. This area contains options related to your account security and permissions. Step 3. Check account verification status. Verify that your account is fully verified. If your account is not fully verified, you may need to complete additional identity verification steps to restore sending privileges. Step 4. Review withdrawal settings. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Enable two-factor authentication. If you haven't already, enable two-factor authentication 2FA for added security. This step is often required to restore sending privileges and will help protect your account from unauthorized access. By following these steps, you should be able to restore your sending privileges on Kraken. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Kraken's customer support for further assistance.